Okay guys, recently I bought a product. It's a baby carrying bag from Amazon. So in this video I'll be showing you how you use this bag. So if you really do not know to use this bag, this is imagine this is your baby, and here you're gonna put your baby. It's two legs coming out of here. Okay, and here you have a two lock right over here. You're gonna tighten it. You can see over here. You're gonna put the lock. You can adjust it. You can tighten your baby. You can make it loose according to your needs. Okay, after doing this, what exactly you can do is, and this is how you carry. You can carry from front as well as back. So here you are. You can make it small or you can adjust it. You can make it how big you want. So here you have a two adjustment. You can adjust according to your needs. Now what all you have over here? You can see one latch exactly you have over here in this carrying one. So if you are carrying, while you are carrying a baby, so you have a two more latch over here on the top. It's a head side. You can see you have a two more latch over here. So this is the head side, and here you have a two more latch. You can see on the head side that you're gonna put it right over here on the top. You can see just exactly right over here. You can just put it over here, and one you have here in the this is your carrying one. It's you're gonna carry it exactly below on the top. So this is down bottom side. So on the top itself, there you have how you're gonna put this. Okay, now you can carry it. So here you have one more lock. While you're carrying, you can put it back side. Let's say if you are carrying a baby from a front side like this. Let's say you are carrying a baby from front side like this. While you're putting from the back side on the back chest, you're going to tighten it so that your baby will not fall. So along with this, you'll be given one more over here, this one. So you can put it exactly at the below so that baby will not put the more pressure over here, and even it will not so exactly right over here you will tighten it at the back side on your you'll be tighten. You'll carry your baby in the front side, you'll put it over here and you'll tighten it from back. Just exactly below the stomach. So you can adjust it according to your needs. Here you have. You can make it a small or you can make it a large. So here it is. So what fits you, you can just tighten it just below the stomach, where exactly you'll be holding your baby. At the bottom you can tighten it. So the easy way how you're gonna use this baby carrying bag. So the short video on how you're gonna use this baby carrying bag.